Ever wonder how hackers find weak spots? No, they just don't guess your password is 12345 6. They use this. Welcome to CVEs, CWEs, CVSS, and chaos. And let's break down how hackers and defenders both use this info and why CVEs is basically the TMZ of cybersecurity. So CVEs, it stands for Common Vulnerabilities and Exposures. They're public reports of known flaws in software. Think of them like a big mugshot with IDs like CVE 2024-1337. Hackers love them, security teams fear them. If CVEs are the specific headlines, CWEs, common weaknesses and enumerations, are categories of those issues. Buffer overflow, that's a CWE. SQL injection, also a CWE. It's like classifying celebrity scandals. Cheating, partying, bad tweets, same drama, different celebs. So, CVSS, Common Vulnerability Scoring System, is how we rate how bad a CVE is. It's like Yelp reviews for bugs. So, scores range from 0 to 10. 0 being harmless, 10 being panic. So, when it comes to CVSS, let's give an example. I'll give you an analogy with fast food. So, a 3 might be like spilled ketchup. A 6.5 may be like a microwave broke. A 9.8 is like the kitchen on fire. And a 10 could be the entire restaurant is destroyed. Let's look at NVD. It's the National Vulnerability Database. It's where US keeps track of CVEs and add juicy metadata, scores, links, impact details, etc. So ExploitDB, that's where the real drama is. It hosts actual exploit code. Hackers love it. So do pen testers, defenders, not so much. SearchSploit is the offline cheat code. It's the CLI tool that lets you search ExploitDB without the internet. So if you're in cybersecurity or want to be, learn how these all connect. Don't just memorize CVEs. Understand why CWE, the severity, CVSS, and the impact exploit code. Like, sub, and hit the alert. If you learn something, comment your favorite ridiculous CVE title below.